Hello kids, today we'll learn alphabets in small letters. So without much ado, let's get started. Red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for house. I for ice cream. Let's take some other color. Blue color. I for ice cream. J for jacket. J for jacket. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. Now last line we'll take green color. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. So here we have completed our alphabets in small letters. So that's it for today, kids. Take care and bye bye.